Hi guys, I'm back for another video, and this is CBX's or EXO CBX's first comeback, first Korean comeback actually, since they've done Japanese stuff, and it's Blooming Days. So I'm just gonna get these albums out of the packaging. So I mean out of the wrapping. So this is the same way that Yesasia packed it. So in this package I got Blooming Days and I got Boyhood by UNB. I'll be doing that later. Just remove... Oh, there's a sticker. There's actually a sticker. Here is what the sticker looks like. It's the same thing for the other version. It's just placed differently. Here are the albums. So here are both the albums without the plastic wrap. So I'm not sure which one is which for the versions. I just know that there's two versions. There's one Blooming version and this one Days version, I think. So this I'm just gonna remove the cards first. Like there's 12 cards here. What happened, SM? Why are you going insane? And there's a random postcard as well. I think it's a random postcard. There's so much stuff. Oh, there's the sticker and all. Oh my god. How many postcards are we getting? Because I just saw Shumin's. Maybe we're getting all. Oh my god. I saw the card-ish. So I'm really hoping that my guess is right. Maybe you saw it too. I don't know. Like, is that the last of the random things? I think it's the last. So yeah. So I guess I'll do this first. I don't know if there's different photo books, but I hope there is. Because different versions. So yeah, here is the cover of the first one. Here's the side. Actually, it says Blooming Days. And some details for the cover. CBX is in holo or foil. Then same with their logo. I'm not sure if you can see it there. And then here's the back. Weird positioning for the Comcast sticker, to be honest. Yeah. And then here's the track list. To be honest, I think this is EXO's best release since, I mean, album wise, because title tracks I think there's some better, but album wise, since Growl, which was my favorite EXO album, this might be my favorite EXO album right now. Maybe not actually, it's because Growl has a special place in my heart. So here's the CD. I really like the look. Here's photo book. Oh, flash photography. Oh, I love this. The music video looked amazing. So I really like that we have photos from that. So CBX, my biases are Chen and Shumin. So watch me get anyone. Or watch me get Baekhyun for the photo cards. Because that's just life. There's 4 to collect this time. I don't know how I feel about that, just because there's a bit too much. Oh, there's cats. I really love these photos though. It's very inconsistent though in terms of concept. Like, we get these kinds of photos from outside, but we also got these music video stills, and we got this as well. This thing. Favorite track of the album is Sweet Dreams. Like, I usually don't say my favorite track, but this one is just really great. If I would have to have a top 3, I guess, Sweet Dreams, Lazy, then Blooming Day. Oh, I love this. Vroom Vroom is also a good song. It's, I think, my fourth. Yeah, might as well just rank it. Fifth is Monday Blues. Sixth is Thursday. And seventh is Playdate. By the way, I thought Shumin wouldn't dye his hair anymore. But maybe, I don't know. I think I got a silver hair photo card and I think that's a Baekhyun card. Oh my god. Please no, for the other version. Oh my god! How many cards are there? There's a Chan card here. It's one card less to collect. I don't know how much cards or how many cards are there in this thing, but wow, that was a surprise. Yeah, so that's that for this version. Then for the other version, I'm really hoping for a different photo, but you know, it's SM. So I love this like graphic and how CBX is here and it's glossy. Side is just this. It's not as flashy as the other one. Then we have the back. It's one of, I guess, I don't know really. I'm not, is that the same CD? It's a different CD, yeah. Because this one had the Blooming Days. This one has CBX. Oh, it's a different. Thank God. Oh my God. So I think as I said in the non-focused version of this video, I actually think this is EXO's best release since Growl in terms of the whole album. It's because, I don't know, I'm probably one of the only people who didn't like El Dorado as much, but this one is really solid. Oh, different photo box. Thank you, SM. I'm really loving the aesthetic though. That is such a cool picture. It's a blooming picture. Oh, I love this. I love how you can actually see stills from the music video. Oh, probably one of my favorite Shumin pictures ever. Is there a digital copy of this? Because I'm gonna have to buy that, because that picture alone is so great. No, props to SM though. After the mess that was the dream version of NCT's Empathy, this is really well edited. These small babies though. Shumin is going in the military soon though. I wonder how EXO will do it though. Will they do it by few members, or is it gonna be like Super Juniors where it's gonna be a long time before we get a full group comeback? Even though they did come back without, but not with a full group. So yeah, so there's, what is this? I got a paper from SM Entertainment. Wow, this is so technologically advanced. Is it? I think it's supposed to be a postcard, but there's nothing in it. So I got a Shumin postcard. That is great. I don't know if I'll be collecting this. Oh my god. If I get Shumin and Chan, then maybe. There's a code for Guardians in Town, so I'll be cutting that part. But then, what would have been really great if we had codes for Superstars in Town. I used to play that, but now not so much. Like maybe an EXO CBX Blooming Days pack or something, so that you know you'll get cards from it. Then the ad, stickers. Oh wow. Wait, did I not get a photo card? Or you only get one card because this one slipped from the album. So I got Chen and one. It's the O card, one of the O cards. Then you get all of the postcards. So I guess I'm not gonna be collecting those since it all comes in the album. I thought that the card was in here because there were so many random there's so many inserts. But apparently you only get one out of 12 cards. So which is not really that crazy, I guess. So sticker. Is there a different? I don't think there's any difference. Then we have the ad, SM Town. I think there's only one set. Yeah, there's only one set of. So let's change that TBX. One set of postcards, and I think I got a Baekhyun. Yeah. See, 2 out of 3 are my biases, and I still get Baekhyun. So if anyone wants this card, let me know. I'm open for international trading as long as it's not this Chen card, then it's a Chen or a Shumin card. I would trade for it. So yeah, that is it for this unboxing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.